Hi guys, this is Melissa with Mimi's Treasures. We are an authentic resale boutique for Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Hermes, and then we do brand new and custom made lab grown diamond jewelry. Here is our gorgeous new bag, and by our I mean mine. So yesterday I did get the call from Hermes that they had something available, so I did have to go ahead and grab a plane ticket and fly over there, and this is the beautiful bag that they had. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at it. So this is a newer bag, guys. It was just re-released. It was popular for a while, and then it was basically retired, and they just reinvented and re-released it. So let's take a look. This is actually in a color that I had been asking for too, which is Etoupe. So here she is. All right. So here is the bag. Of course, it comes in the box with the little pillow like always. And it is the brand new release, the Hermes Shoulder Birkin 29. So they did the shoulder Birkin before, but it was a bit longer. It was 42 centimeters and this is 29 centimeters. So this is quite a bit smaller than the original. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. So it comes with the palladium hardware, and this is on the Ever Color leather. And then you get the key clochette and the key, and it is in the lock, and it is shorter obviously than the regular since the bag itself is shorter. So let's take a look inside the bag. Box out of the way first. All right, so here's the bag. Let's open her up. I really like this one. I did not like the old shoulder Birkin. The proportions of it were just too large for me. I felt the shape of the old one was just too large for me. And this one is just a really, really cute size. I always wear my Birkins open, so I leave it open like that. And then let's put the key clochette on so you can see what that looks like. And there is what she looks like. So you've got plenty of room on the arm because it is a shoulder Birkin. The handles are longer than the regular handles. However, I would not call this a shoulder bag. I guess it's up there, and I have pretty thin arms, and it's like barely, my arms are barely going through there. So I really wouldn't call it a shoulder bag probably for the majority of people. There's what she looks like. It's the bottom of the bag, and let's take a look inside. It is quite spacious inside. So pretty big, and then of course it's just got your front pocket there. And what's a little bit different about this one though is it has a little pocket in the back, basically the size of, looks like your ID or a credit card could fit in there. So it's got one little pocket back here in the back. So that's a little bit different. And there she is. So if you have any questions about it, I know there are not many reviews or videos yet since this is such a new style. Feel free to ask in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it for you. All right, guys, bye-bye.